Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to delete or remove admin from rocket.net website. So here's a simple guide for that. So for you to be able to remove or delete admin from rocket.net, you have to log in into your account. So to do that, go to rocket.net and sign in using your account credentials. So from the main menu, from the main dashboard rather, select the WordPress site where you want to remove an admin. So click the login to WordPress admin. So open your site WordPress dashboard. Then from the in the WordPress dashboard menu, click users, find all users. Then from there, locate the admin user name or email you want to delete from the list. So over their username, click delete. WordPress will ask if you want to delete or transfer their content. So once you choose delete all content, if you don't need it, choose the attributes or content to another user if you want to keep their post. Then after that, confirm the deletion. So click the deletion button or remove the admin account completely. And that's how you can easily delete or remove admin from rocket.net website. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button, subscribe for more.